Friends, it's Paula Tish, your favorite Huntsville realtor, and today I'm in Athens, Alabama. Located less than a half hour outside of downtown Huntsville, this is a wonderful place to purchase your next home. You know, in real estate, it's always about location, location, location. One of the best things about Athens is its small town appeal. It has the downtown square that we love in the South, all centered around the courthouse. It is the county seat for Limestone County, and there is tons of historic homes and loads of new construction available here. You guys have seen me tour multiple builders that are building out here in the Athens area. The average home price out here can range anywhere between $350 to $420. Looking back over the past year, we've had 40 to 60 new listings every month here in Athens and the Athens area. And about half of those are new construction. This particular detail is very desirable to all kinds of people moving into the Huntsville area from around the country and even just from the other side of the mountain. Here in Athens, we have everything you could possibly need, starting with Athens City School System, which has 4 elementary schools, a middle school, an intermediate school, and a brand new high school. There's also private schools available and even a state college right here in town. The heart of Athens is this downtown square. It is filled with shops, places to eat, plus the courthouse right smack in the middle. This is the lifeblood of Athens, Alabama. And they have this really cool thing called the Athens Main Street. It's a nonprofit organization that came in to build and revitalize this whole area, and it is spectacular. Athens Square is filled with all kinds of shops, including ones that have been here forever. Bennett's is this wonderful clothing store. There's Crawford's with these beautiful gifts and so many things. I bought some stuff recently there. It's wonderful. The Athens Ale House is a great local pub style area to hang out. They have live music and such. Anything you could want, you can find here on the square. There's something for everyone here in Athens. And if you're anything like me and you like the outdoors stuff, this is a great place to be. Athens has a greenway called Swan Creek Greenway where you can go walking, walk your dog, do all the things. It's beautiful. There's a municipal pool along with 7 parks that have playgrounds and the such. Plus, 20 minutes from here, you can check out Wheeler State Park, which is right on the Tennessee River, and it has boat rentals, camping, picnicking, all the things. If you need a taste of Madison County, then Old Black Bear has a second location right here in Athens. Let's check it out. Hey, John and I checked out this Old Black Bear recently, and I love it. They have a huge bar, probably 3 times bigger than the one in Madison. So if you live in Madison, you ought to come out here and check it out. Even the outdoor space is different. It's worth the trip. And that's a wrap on Athens, Alabama. If you think this is the place for you, check out some of my other home tours. I would love to help you love where you live.